Hello and welcome to English with Altaf. Today's topic is very interesting. We are going to talk about what happens when we spend a whole day without a phone. Many of us cannot imagine life without a phone, but today we will discuss how it feels and what we can learn from it.
That's right, a phone is a big part of our daily routine. We use it for calls, messages, social media, entertainment, and even studying. But sometimes we forget how much time we give to our phone. Today, we'll share what it's like to live one full day without a phone and how it can actually teach us some lessons.
Let's start with the morning. Usually, the first thing people do after waking up is check their phone. They look at notifications, emails, or social media. But on a phone-free day, the morning feels different. Instead of rushing to the screen, you can enjoy a calm start, maybe stretch, drink water, or just sit quietly.
Yes, without a phone, the morning feels more peaceful. You are not worried about messages or updates. You focus more on yourself. Some people might even eat breakfast without scrolling, which feels strange at first but later feels refreshing.
Then comes work or school time. Normally, we depend on our phones for reminders, alarms, and even directions. On a day without a phone, we have to plan better. Maybe we use a notebook for our tasks, or we check the time with a watch. It may look old-fashioned, but it keeps us more aware of our surroundings.
That's true. In fact, without a phone, you concentrate more on the real world. If you are studying, you focus fully on your books. If you're working, you don't get distracted by notifications every few minutes. Productivity often increases because your attention is not divided.
But of course, it's not always easy. At some point in the day, you feel like reaching for your phone. Maybe you want to check the weather, listen to music, or reply to a message. That small discomfort shows us how dependent we have become.
Yes, it's like a habit. Sometimes we check our phone even when there is nothing important. Without it, we feel a little lost, but this feeling also makes us stronger. It shows us that we don't always need to be online, and life continues smoothly without constant notifications.
Spending time with people is also different. Without a phone, conversations become deeper. You actually listen to others without checking the screen in between. If you go out with family or friends, you notice the details around you. You look at the food, the sky, the people instead of taking pictures and posting online.
Yes, that's one of the biggest advantages. Human connection feels stronger. Many times, when we sit together, everyone is busy with their own phone. Without it, we laugh more, talk more, and create real memories. It reminds us that life is about people, not only screens.
Afternoon or evening without a phone can feel slow. Usually, when we are bored, we open social media, watch videos, or play games. Without that, you have to find other activities. You may read a book, go for a walk, cook, or even just relax. This may feel unusual, but it opens the door to new hobbies.
Yes, and boredom is not always bad. Sometimes boredom gives birth to creativity. If you don't have a phone, you may write, draw, or think about new ideas. Phones often fill every empty moment, but when you remove them, your mind has space to be creative.
Nighttime is also very different. Usually, many people spend hours scrolling on their phone before sleeping. This makes sleep late and often poor. Without a phone, you can go to bed earlier, feel more rested, and wake up fresher. It improves health and gives you better energy for the next day.
Yes, research also shows that phone screens affect our sleep. A day without a phone teaches us how peaceful life can be without late night scrolling. Instead of wasting time online, you can reflect on your day, write in a journal, or simply sleep on time.
So, spending one day without a phone has many lessons. At first, it feels strange and even difficult. But as the day goes on, you realize the benefits. You feel calmer, more focused, and more connected to the real world.
Yes, you also realize how much extra time you actually have. Phones take many hours every day without us noticing. When you remove the phone, suddenly you have free time for reading, family, exercise, or hobbies. It reminds us to use our time wisely.
Of course, phones are important. They are useful tools for work, learning, and communication. But this experiment of one day without a phone helps us understand balance. We don't need to throw away our phones, but we should use them mindfully.
That's right. Instead of checking the phone every 5 minutes, we can decide to check it a few times a day. Instead of scrolling endlessly, we can set limits. This way, the phone remains a tool and doesn't control us.
So, let's summarize what we have learned today. A day without a phone feels strange at first, but it brings peace and focus. Mornings are calmer, productivity increases, conversations become better, creativity grows, and sleep improves.
Yes, and the most important lesson is that life is full of real experiences waiting outside the screen. If we reduce phone time, we can enjoy those moments more deeply. It is about balance, not about removing phones completely.
We hope you enjoyed this discussion. Maybe you can also try a phone-free day and see how it feels. It might surprise you how much you enjoy it.
Thank you for joining us today on English with Altaf. Keep learning, keep practicing, and remember that sometimes the best lessons come when we step away from technology. We'll see you again in the next video.